Good morning, Sairam children. Today, I'll be explaining you some important terms from this chapter number 3. As you might have received the PDF regarding chapter number 3, which you have to do in your fair notebook. First term. First term means the definition, that is parliament. What does it mean? Parliament is a home, is a house of the country, okay, which consists of two houses, that is Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. It is the highest law making body, and apart from the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, we have the president, who is the actual ruler, who is taking care of the parliament. Now, what is Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha is also known as the Council of States. Its maximum strength is 250 members and it is chaired by Vice President of India. That is, it is taken care by the Vice President of India. The rules and regulations are coordinated by him only. Lok Sabha, and it is also, the Rajya Sabha is also called as the upper house. Lok Sabha is called as the lower house and it is known as the house of the people. Its total membership is 545 members, and it comprises of the people's rights, and you can say the issues raised by the people or the common agenda of the people are raised in Lok Sabha. Its meetings are presided by the speaker. Next term, that is the opposition party. Now, what is the opposition party? Obviously, if one party is in favor and the other party is not in the favor of something, it will be obviously called as the opposition. But let's get more clear with it. The opposition in the parliament is formed by all the political parties that oppose the major party or coalition form. The largest among these parties is known as the opposition party. Then we have, what is coalition? What is coalition government? When one party does not get the clear majority, a group of political parties join together, combine with each other and elect one leader, who then forms a government, is called as coalition party. Next, approval. It refers to the formal consent. Approval otherwise also means that yes, you have got a clean check from a higher authority for any of your issues. And over here it refers to a formal consent through which the elected representatives of the parliament, which actually gets and has to continue people's trust. One more thing is, what do you mean by executive? The executive is a group of persons who work together to implement the laws made by parliament. It is the authority which actually tells you that how to implement rules and regulations for the country. One more. Next is, how is question hour an important mechanism? What is a question hour? Question hour is an important mechanism because it is mechanism means procedure, because it is that, yes, when we talk about the question hour, what is the question hour? That is the details of each and every information which the members of parliament want or actually have to inquire. They can ask, they can clear their doubts, and they can get the information from the government directly without any hesitation. Other thing is, now that what I have given you a question, that write a note on coalition government. What is a coalition government? Coalition government is the phenomena of recent past At times, it happens that one political party does not get a clear majority and it is required to form a government. So, what happens? The political parties are usually interested in similar concerns, and those parties which are actually related and concerned with similar concerns, they club up together, join together, and form a coalition government. Children, do not get confused with the work or the PDF which is given to you. Children, the moment it is given, without asking, without thinking, kindly put it in your fair notebooks. Chapter number 1 and 2 for history and civics I will provide you, and right now chapter number 3 you can continue. You can start with chapter number 3, 1 and 2 PDF also I'll send to you. Thank you children, and Sarah.